Wind's really the issue that is left over tonight, as well as the river flooding that has been occurring. The river flood warning staying in effect right now. We're seeing minor to moderate flooding along all area rivers. Right now, skies are clear outside, but the wind really howling. Latest gust at the airport to 38 miles an hour. We still have a wind advisory in effect for all of the area that's in the light color here, with wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour possible through about midnight, with some higher gusts over the mountains to the west. Here are the river flood warnings that are currently in effect. We're expecting some moderate flooding along the James to be occurring, and that will continue until further notice. And notice all area rivers pretty much under that warning. The skies have cleared out really nicely behind our cold front that whipped on through today and produced a little bit of severe weather in the area late this morning, and the snow is flying west of the mountains right now. We're going to be tracking a major storm for the middle of the week that will bring significant snow to most of us here in Central Virginia. The colder air lurking west of the mountains, 25 Indianapolis, 23 in Chicago, single digits up in Iowa and Minnesota at this hour. Our temperatures on the way down tonight with those gusty winds, clear skies by about 10 o'clock. We're in the low to mid 40s. Early tomorrow morning we'll be down near 30 degrees. A cooler day for tomorrow, but sunshine for tomorrow and Tuesday.